Okay, I should be live. Wow. Okay, let's see. Send the link as well. We can go into which YouTube channel does this go to? Okay, we can switch. Okay, so yeah, this is the videos that I watch. By the way, let's see here now. Where's supposed to be at C? That's am I not subscribed? Yes, I am. Okay, great. Here we see this beautiful video with okay, yeah, that's where we at. Okay, yes, here we go. So I can, okay, now I'm hearing myself. That's nice. You copy the link here and send it to Discord. Yes, what a pro I am. Such a pro at this. Okay. Also, I should probably, why not join the public VC? Yeah, why not? I wonder how the quality is of this. Oh, okay, yeah, that looks actually quite great. Okay, really nice. Okay, because there's like some tier list maker thing. I haven't prepared this at all, so probably should have done that. Should probably turn off my own live stream there as well. Okay, hello people. I am live streaming. So, my thought was to possibly make a tier list this video of languages possibly. Wow, worst stream ever. Okay, thank you very much. Dragon Dev, in case you're watching, which I think you are, I would really appreciate it if someone, possibly you, joined the VC so I have someone to talk to. That would be quite nice. It's a bit easier to do things then. Also, the latency is a bit lower this time. I think that's because I changed some setting. Also, I've never done a tier list before, and I'm pretty sure now that I should have prepared something. Tier maker allows you to create a tier list for anything. Using a tier list maker, you can easily upload some photos to create a tier list template. Okay, so here's the thing. I have no photos though. So, oh, is this like I can search for something? So if I search for Rustlang, does anything show up? What? I don't know how this works. Bro, the ads as well. Okay. Search for Rustlang. Okay. Well, thank you very much. Can we just go back, possibly? I don't know what I'm doing right now. I think I'm just going to make my own template, whatever that means. Okay, so I'm supposed to turn up my mic volume. Okay, let's do that. I can also try to talk a bit slightly louder. Can I also increase the volume here? Yeah, okay, so it's actually at max volume in OBS. I think there should be some way to change it. But I think mainly I just have to talk louder. I hope this is better. Right now. Is this good? Or is this still too bro, what's the opposite of loud? Quiet, quiet here. Okay, properties. Yes, that's the correct one. Uh All right. I'm not really sure how to change the volume to make it better. Um, okay, the, what is this? Can I increase the volume here? Hello, hello. Is this better? I'm not really sure how this works, to be honest. Hello. Is this good? I'm just going to turn up it a lot and see what this does. I think I'm getting higher volumes now. Pretty sure I am. I can watch it. Hello. Hello. Okay, so is this good? I think this is good. It seems good. So I'm just watching this thing bounce up and down, and looks like we're getting some quite decent volume now. Also, we have 3 people watching. That's pretty cool. Bro, can someone please join the Discord? Like literally anyone? I'm guessing all the people watching right now saw it from Discord, so all of you are like free to join the VC because I'm in the public VC, so would I wouldn't have anything against having someone to talk to. I'm realizing that the delay. Okay, actually, I probably shouldn't have my own stream on in the background like that. Can lower the volume. Okay. I apologize if you heard me double there for a while. All right. So, has anyone here made a tier list before? Because I have no idea how this works. I'm just going to try to create single-use template. Okay, sure. Why not? Ah, okay. So that's how this works. Nice. Also, I should get an ad blocker. Not really sure why I haven't fixed that yet. Okay, so it just opened up this for me. Okay, very kind. Problem is, I don't really have any photos right now for languages, and fixing that would take some time. But I guess I can, I guess I can just have this stream as like preparation stream, and then meanwhile uh, talk for the entire session, I guess. And I hope that's at least somewhat entertaining. Not really sure why. Yeah, for real, really nice time for a stream. Please join VC. I have no one to talk to. Oh, why do I even type here? To be honest, they can just say it. I'm guessing this person is watching. Oh well. Can we let's see here. Save image as maybe we can call it rust.png, save, and name another language. The first one that came to my head is Haskell, so we can. I'm not really sure why, but yeah, that's what popped up. So we'll go with that. Haskell.png, and then we can go over to Python. Why not? The thing I might possibly maybe eventually make this into a video. Maybe I can clip this together and make a video out of it. Okay, now I'm the only person watching. How nice. Might be because this stream isn't super duper professional, possibly. Okay, let's hear now. Here we have Java. Take this image and we can save it as java.png, and then we can go over to JavaScript. Why not? Some of these pictures might not be super duper perfect, but JavaScript PNG. Okay, like you guys can probably go and recommend some languages for me to have in the tier list. If you want to, you can do that. I would kind of appreciate it, because I don't know about every single language in existence, you know? So other languages, we can go with C sharp. C, okay, I'm just going to write sharp, so. Okay, all right. Can we get a good logo for this one? I think this is pretty good. Save image as C and then a hashtag. C sharp. Okay, now I'm the only person watching again. That's nice. Oh, and speaking of C sharp, I should probably go with C. Where's the C? I think we can go with this one. That's fine. It's not okay, great. And C++. And let's go with this one. Bro, it's like the viewer count is jumping up and down. Said one watching a few seconds ago. Can people write something in chat just so I know if people are like actively watching and stuff? That would be kind of nice. Okay, so what other languages are there? Lua. Go with Lua. Lua's a great language. I like Lua. We can also go with please give me some ideas for languages, please. Um I guess we can go with assembly now. Also give me the assembly language. Assembly. Does assembly even have an official logo though? Assembly lang. We can go with the Fireship video thumbnail. um, we can go with that. Kind of hard to find a semi-okay logo for it. Okay, yeah, that's actually perfect. Let's go with that. Assembly. And then there are probably a few more languages other than that. I've done... Why not go with SIG? Why not? That's a pretty cool, interesting, modern language. We can probably give a try. There are more languages than this as well. Okay, so Go. Go is good. Let's go with that. Great. And then what more is there? Have we done Java? Yes, we have. How is Discord looking right now? I'm having a hard time coming up with languages currently. PHP. Can we get a good logo for this one? Okay, I think the Wikipedia one is probably good enough. People just left as well. That's kind of sad. And then what more is there? There is we have probably starting to have the most. Okay, I should just get a list of languages. List of programming languages. Okay, let's see here now. We have, okay, this list contains, I should probably go with popular programming languages list. So we, yeah, Toby in the index, that's probably good source. Allow all. Okay, so we have Python, we have C, we have Java, we have C++, C Sharp, JavaScript. Okay, we can go with Visual Basic. I don't really love that, but it's fine. Visual Basic. I don't really know what this language is used for, so can't really rate it to be honest, but I guess we can have it in here anyway. Actually, I think we go with ChatGPT one instead. Okay, so Visual Basic. Okay, great. There we found another language. Can skip SQL or Squeal. I'm not really sure pronunciation on that. R, Perl, Fortran. Fortran is probably worth including. So let's go with Fortran. Here we have it. People are just simply not really watching the stream, I see. I see how it is. Okay, Scratch. I'm not really sure we can have that in here. Um, hmm. Can I get a bigger list, please? COBOL, Swift, Ruby maybe is interesting. We can go with that. I'm kind of just choosing languages that people actually know about and that are interesting to rate for me. Oh, Lang. Ruby Lang. Please. Okay. Ruby. And then we have TypeScript. I'm not going to include that. We already have JavaScript, so I think we're done with that. I can probably talk about TypeScript when talking about we could have Bash, Elixir, Haskell we already have. I'm not really sure why that I thought of that so early. Are there any other languages I'm missing here? Very long-term history. Okay. uh, we have. So I think I already have most of the popular languages. We can probably get a few more. I think if there were some here that might be interesting. So we have um to be honest, I can't even rate most of these, but I can include Bash, I guess, which kind of is a language as well. Thing is, I have like no opinion on Erlang because I have never used it and I'm not really thinking of using it anytime soon. So we can go with this image. Why not? This won't be perfect, but pretty good. So let's do that. Please join the stream, by the way. All right, so now we have a few languages, so I'm guessing we can go in here. I should really get ad blocker. I'm not really sure why I haven't fixed that yet. Oh, okay. Can we? I'm not really sure. They probably appear in here, yeah. Assets, no. Can we go back? Okay. Screenshots. Huh. Oh wait, they're probably in downloads. I'm stupid. Yeah. So I'm guessing we have to just do this. And then browse again. Bash.